has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Kneel down, guys.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clearfield County, Pennsylvania, Center County, Pennsylvania, western Clinton County, Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 7 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Kettle Creek State Park to Clearfield to Glen Hope, moving east at 60 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations included in the warning: Belfont State College, Bald Eagle State Park, Blackmore Shannon State Park, Bollesburg, Center Hall, Glen Union, Houtzdale, Heiner, Carthus, Keating, Lamar, Milesburg, Low Shannon, Osceola Mills, Park Forest, Phillipsburg, Pine Glen, Pine Grove Mills, and Pleasant Gap. Other notable locations in the warning: Pennsylvania Military Museum, Tussey Mountain Ski Area, and Pennsylvania State University. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates. Interstate 80 between mile markers 127 and 174. Interstate 99 between mile markers 57 and 85. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 220, alternate Route 220, Route 322, State Road 26, State Road 45, State Road 120, State Road 350. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong wind or wind damage to the National Weather Service and State College through Twitter or Facebook. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Center, Clearfield, and Clinton.
Here, show me your radar. I want to see this.
The National